Hi, I'm Chef Han. I'm the chef owner of Restaurant Labyrinth, Singapore. At Restaurant Labyrinth, we focus on the cuisine that I term New Singapore Cuisine, in short for a new expression of Singapore cuisine. It's also based on local produce, local heritage, and comes together in a way that expresses my Singapore story. Gelato isn't commonly served in Southeast Asian cuisine, and here at Labyrinth, we've taken two traditional savory street dishes and turned it one into an appetizer and two into a dessert. For the chili crab dish, we have turned it on its head by turning the quintessential chili crab sauce into an ice cream, layered with egg white ribbons, locally wild-caught flower crab meat, herbs of elephant bush, thinly sliced jambu dusted with kaffir lime leaf powder, as well as ulam raja flour. They're going to get is a full-on flavor they commonly associate with the iconic chili crab dish of Singapore. The difference is the texture and the temperature. So cereal prawn is a savory dish that you find in zi char restaurants, where you get prawns stir-fried in oatmeal, butter, sugar, curry leaves, and a bit of chili. We made a soft serve using Carpigiani soft serve machine. The soft serve is actually made of oatmeal, a touch of 20-year Shaoxing wine, finished off with goji berry, curry leaves, mochi, that's my little take on it as well. We serve it alongside a cereal box that has the stir-fried oatmeal and curry leaves inside. And basically that's our take on cereal prawn in a dessert form. Very playful, interactive, tongue-in-cheek, but yet very traditional in its flavor. So with Carpigiani as a partner, it offers me endless possibilities to create more unique Singaporean flavors in gelato and soft serve form. And I'm truly excited to push the boundaries to see what new dishes I can create to tantalize the diner's palate.